Sweden is a country with a rich and diverse culinary tradition. From savory meatballs to sweet cinnamon buns, Swedish cuisine offers a range of flavors and dishes that are both traditional and modern. The country's emphasis on locally sourced and sustainable ingredients has also made it a leader in the culinary world. In this essay, we will explore the diverse and delicious cuisine of Sweden. Swedish cuisine. Swedish cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's geography and climate. The long and harsh winters have led to the development of hearty and comforting dishes, while the short summers have inspired the use of fresh and seasonal ingredients. The cuisine is also influenced by the country's Viking and medieval history, as well as its neighboring countries such as Denmark and Finland. Meatballs, Swedish meatballs, or köttbullar, are a classic Swedish dish that is enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. The meatballs are typically made with ground beef or pork, breadcrumbs, milk, and spices, and are served with lingonberry jam, mashed potatoes, and a creamy gravy. Gravlax is a popular Swedish dish that is made from cured salmon. The salmon is typically cured with a mixture of salt, sugar, and dill, and is often served with a mustard dill sauce and rye bread. Ragmunk is a traditional Swedish dish that is made from grated potatoes and flour. The mixture is then fried in butter until crispy and golden brown. Ragmunk is typically served with bacon and lingonberry jam. Smorgasbord is a traditional Swedish buffet that is typically served during holidays and special occasions. The buffet features a range of dishes, including pickled herring, smoked salmon, meatballs, and various types of cheese and bread. Kanelbullar, or cinnamon buns, are a popular Swedish pastry that is enjoyed throughout the country. The buns are typically made with a yeast dough that is flavored with cinnamon and sugar, and are often served with coffee or tea. Swedish beverages. Swedish cuisine also offers a range of refreshing and flavorful beverages that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Here are some of the most popular beverages in Sweden. Glögg is a traditional Swedish mulled wine that is typically served during the Christmas season. The wine is spiced with cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom, and is often served with raisins and almonds. Julmust is a popular Swedish soft drink that is typically consumed during the Christmas season. The drink is made from a mixture of malt extract, spices, and carbonated water, and has a sweet and slightly spicy flavor. Aquavit is a traditional Scandinavian spirit that is flavored with herbs and spices, including caraway, dill, and fennel. The spirit is typically served as a digestif after meals and is often paired with smoked fish and other salty dishes. Lingonberry juice is a popular beverage in